Imagine a machine that can find structure in raw data without any instructions. Unlike supervised learning that needs labeled examples, unsupervised algorithms work autonomously to uncover hidden patterns and relationships on their own. We are exploring unsupervised learning, a branch of machine learning where the model operates without labeled data. Instead of being told what to look for, it analyzes unlabeled datasets to identify inherent structures and group similar data points together. The core function here is pattern recognition. These algorithms draw inferences from unlabeled data to find hidden patterns and relationships that humans might miss, essentially performing a deep analysis without any human guidance or prior knowledge of the outcomes. We use this technique for specific tasks, like clustering and dimensionality reduction. By grouping similar data points into distinct clusters, the model can compress information or summarize complex datasets efficiently, revealing the underlying organization of the raw numbers. Let's look at association rule learning. This helps us find rules that exist within data, such as market basket analysis, where buying bread often leads to buying butter. It identifies these unknown associations purely by analyzing the co-occurrence of items in the dataset. The practical applications are vast, ranging from customer segmentation in marketing to detecting anomalies in cybersecurity. It helps identify hidden patterns that drive decision-making, allowing us to compress large files or organize unstructured information into meaningful categories. Ultimately, unsupervised learning allows machines to find all kinds of unknown patterns in data without supervision. It transforms raw, chaotic information into structured insights, proving that intelligence can emerge from the data itself when given the right tools. So, there. You have it. Unsupervised learning finds unknowns by teaching computers to see structure where we only see noise. What industry do you think would benefit most from this technology? Let us know in the comments below.